In the 1.8 version of VividCharts, both the definition and the way that you interact with templates is changing. Previously, you would have to make a distinction between a summary template and a view template, but that distinction in 1.8 no longer exists because we have reworked the scaled reports workflow. So now if you want to create a template, that just means you're going to be creating a reusable asset that includes charts, the data that's fueling those charts, the styles on those charts, and any slides that are present. So I'll show you how to both create and consume one of those. So we'll make a slide deck here. This is a new object. And if we go right into add a slide, we can see now that we can add a blank slide, or we have our selection of templates to choose from. So let's choose this one. This is just a title page. And so it's worth noting that once you deploy a template into a slide deck, it's no longer connected to the template that you'd saved previously. So it takes all of the information here, but you can change it however you need, and it's not going to affect the template that you copied this from. One of the new benefits is that you can now add multiples into a single slide deck. So now we can go add something like, this one is called 2-column layout. So this one shows how data is coming in. And again, when I deploy this, it just flows through all of the information from the template that was there when I created it, but I can go change these as needed. So now that I have a little bit more consistency in my report in the way that I can consume it. So if I wanted to save this now, the way to save it is to go and, oops, I need to go to this one. So worth noting here too, that when you add a template, it gets added to the back of any slides that already exist. So I hadn't done anything on this one yet, so this first slide is blank. I need to remove that one. Good to do that. Okay, so now I just have my 2 slides here, the ones that I want. And so I brought this one in from a template. I brought this one in from a template. Let's say I want to make a new template that combines both of these. So the way I do that is go up here and save as template. Now you have to have admin access or an admin role to be able to do this. This is a VividCharts admin role. Scope to the VividCharts application. So if you do this, you can save a new one. Save it there. And then anybody with the builder role now has access to consume this template. The other thing to add here is that because a template just includes charts, styles, and slides, that means that you can consume this template in any of the workflows. It doesn't matter if you are creating a non-filterable slide deck, a dashboard, and a scaled report. You can both create and consume those templates from any one of these workflows.